Yes, hello everyone. This is Mr. Patrick Great Wealth from Wealth Express Arcade. This is a very short video. Okay, it's on. You all know, you're already aware about the artificial intelligence craze, especially for uh, content creation. You know, copywriting, research, and so many things. I'm sure you all have heard about Chat GPT. And the excitement of Chat GPT. And you're also aware, or you should know, that a lot of organizations in the tech world are now trying to do something about artificial intelligence, especially in communications, research, content creation, and some other aspects. So, um, I did a video before about, Microsoft trying to get into, they try to have their search engine, the Bing search engine, making it artificial intelligence enabled, such that you just ask questions, or try to find out some things, and then the search, uh, that search tool will help you more like write everything that you need. So this is a chat GPT. So this was a very short simple video on how to set up chat GPT, whether on your phone or laptop, and then of course, how to use it. Very simple short video, simple things to do. So, number one, if you want to get to ChatGPT, right, to use it. So if you're on PC, if you look here, you see you go to chat.openai.com. Chat, CHAT dot openai.com. So that's where you go to. You can open it on your PC. You can open it uh, on your phone. Just go to your browser, chat.openai.com, right? So it brings you to this page, or it could bring you to another page. Let me just have chat.openai.com. So, okay, so it will bring, of course, it will bring you to the login page, and then, so if you're not yet signed up on ChatGPT, just sign up, right? So when I click sign up, let me just click sign up. I've signed up already, but let me just click sign up. So it's create an account, email address, continue. You can also open with Google, also open with Microsoft account. But I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. So this is my login. All right, so that's my email. My password is already there. So I'm in uh, right now in my chat GPT account. So this is it, right? So in here, you see examples. You see, it gives you examples of what this artificial intelligence chatting system can do for you. So example says, oh, you can ask it, okay, explain quantum computing in simple terms. An example of what you can do. Can even say, okay, got any creative ideas for a 10-year-old birthday party? You can see you can plan for anything. Just talk. See, like this, like a robot that you're talking to, asking about anything, and to give you responses. These are another. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? It will give you the answer. I don't want to click the examples. I want to use my own example, right? Capabilities. Remembers what? Okay, so these are the capabilities. It remembers what user said earlier in the conversation. Allows users to provide follow-up corrections. It trained to decline inappropriate requests. So you can see it has some measure of control. Then it has limitations. So in the limitations, I like that they have limitations, right? May occasionally generate incorrect information, yes. May occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, yes. Limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So you can see these are limitations, right? That's to tell you that there are some things that you may not get accurately. So I like that they are putting that precaution there, so that somebody can just won't just come here, put in anything, get what I mean, garbage in, garbage out, and then use it to to make judgments or decisions and all of that, because they could make mistakes. So I want to use my own example. So this is example. So let me use something very simple that any of you can want to ask or learn. Okay, how to make money online in 2023, or let me say, let me rephrase it. What are the easiest ways to make money online in 2023? So the question is, what are the easiest ways to make money online in 2023? So I come here and I click chat. So now watch as this robot or this artificial intelligence chatting system or platform will respond to me. So there are many ways to make money online in 2023, but here are some of the easiest ways. Number one, online surveys. Many websites pay users to take surveys and provide feedback on products and services. Number two, freelance work. Number three, sell items online. Number four, online tutoring. Number five, affiliate marketing. Number six, let me say there's the number six. Okay, online courses. Now, these are now you can see what this robot is doing, this virtual assistants. I mean, you can see what this is doing. So at the end of it says, remember that making money online takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent, and keep learning new skills and strategies to increase your earnings. So it's giving you everything you need. So now what you can do is, like me, what you can do is, let's say you are going to, now for content creators, you can use this to teach, or you can use this to create content for your YouTube channel or Facebook page or Facebook group or your live presentations. You can use it to teach. So this is how awesome the Chat GPT is. But remember the disclaimers, and remember also that there can be sometimes incorrect responses. All right. Now, what you can do because a lot of people are making money with ChatGPT right now, what you can further do is you can, for example, this answer says online surveys. Many websites pay users to take surveys and provide feedback on products and services. So I can now come and say, uh, 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 what, let me say, websites. Let me just put websites that pay users to take surveys. Okay, let me put it like this. What websites pay users to take surveys? So let me so this is it. Now let me scroll down. See what websites pay users. So there are many websites that pay users to take surveys, including Swagbucks. So now it's listing. Wow, guys, are you guys enjoying this? Are you feeling this? I'm loving it, man. So anyway, I'm going to stop here for today. I just wanted you to see that with artificial intelligence, man, making money on the internet has become even more interesting, especially around content creation, community um, management, community building, online community management, and what do you call it, business coaching, name it. So if you don't have a Chat GPT account, sign up now, start using it, and transform your life and transform your finances. Thank you so much. If you love this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Of course, you can also put on the bell notification for the next set of videos that we will have on this channel, or we'll put it up on this channel. Also, please drop your comments, drop your questions. Let us know what's happening with you. Let us know what's happening with what you're learning. God bless you.